Hello student, this is the questions came in the GATE 2008, 2 marks. Consider the following 3 schedules T1, T2, T3 and notation is NYO. Here this is little bit formatting change, NYO, and denote the transaction number, and Y denote the action, R for read and W for write, and O denote the object, means data item A, B, C, whatever. For example, S1 2RA. 2RA means transaction number T2 perform the read on data item A. Here you can write also R2A. Getting my point? So first we make the graph. We write here read A because there is a 2RA, then write A, read C, write B, write A, write C, read A, read B, write A, write B. Getting my point? We have to check first what will happen here. A को लेंगे अपन, A को पहले T1 followed by T2 चेक करेंगे, T1 से T2 में कहीं है नहीं, और B पे T2 से T1 में A पे yes, then T2 followed by T1. There is a age between T2 to T1. Then we check the A2 T1 to T3, but there is a no age forming from T1 to T2 T3 sorry, because here write A and after that no operation perform on A because schedule is a time order sequence. Getting my point? So after that T3 to T1, yes, it is a write A, then read A, T3 to T1, that about the A. Now we are talking about T2 to T3, there is a write A, after that is perform the read not, but write is performed, so we make a age from T2 to T3. That is all about A. Now we will check the B. There is a age between B, T1 T3, no, T1 T2, no, T2 to T1, yes, T2 to T1, it is already formed. So here in S1, and what about the C? C is only in T3, not in T1, not in T2, so it don't make any age. Getting my point? So here you can see we are getting not a cycle, and we are getting a order is T2, T3, T1. Getting my point? So this schedule is serializable, conflict serializable, and make a serializability order is T2, T3, T1. But in this asking about the conflict equivalent, so there are two approach for checking the conflict equivalent. First is this one is approach, and second one you check the all conflict operation pair. Getting my point? But here you can directly also check, but if it is not able to check this way, you can check another way also, that is conflict equivalent pair. So in S1 we are getting the order T2, T3, T1. After that we will talking about the S2. Here this is the S2, ये रहा S1 आपका. S1 में अपन ने अभी इसको बनाया था. What we are getting for A, T2 to T1 and T1 to T2 no age, or for a B and T1 T2 is complete. How we check when the 3 transaction occur? You can also see. First we compare T1 T2, T2 T1, then we compare T1 T3, T3 T1 and T2 T3, T3 T2. क्या होता है, मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट को डाउट रहता है सर कैसे पेयर चेक करने हैं, तो सारे कॉम्बिनेशन बस, इसके अलावा कोई भी नहीं, हर डेटा आइटम के लिए. अब अगर किसी भी ट्रांजेक्शन में वो डेटा आइटम नहीं है तो वो आपका कॉम्बिनेशन रह जाएगा, उसको आपको चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो पहले मैंने क्या चेक किया, T1 से T2 है, नो, T2 से T1 यस, तो वी मेक ए एज, देन दिस कंप्लीट, देन T1 टू T3 नो, देन T3 से T1 यस, T3 से T1, then T2 T3, T2 to T3 and T3 to T2 no. Getting my point? This all about the A. Now we are talking about the B. Where is B? This one, T1 to T2 not, but T2 to T1 yes, it is already make a edge T2 to T1. Then T1 to T3, no, because in T3 there is a no B, so not make any sense. So you check T1, T2, T2, T1, getting my point. And what about the C? C is only in T3, not in T1 or T2. So here we are getting T2, T3 and T1. S1 is conflict equivalent, serializable, and order is T2, T3 and T1. Now we'll check the S2. First we check for A. A is here, write and read also, and here तो T1 to T2 A का एज बनेगा नहीं, बिकॉज शेड्यूल इज ए टाइम ऑर्डर सीक्वेंस. इसके बाद में कहीं भी A पे काम नहीं हो रहा है, तो T1 से T2 नहीं बनेगा. और T2 से T1 यस राइट ए, उसके बाद रीड एज वेल एज राइट ए परफॉर्म किया जा रहा है. तो एक तो T2 से T1 एज बन जाएगा. नाउ विल चेक फॉर T1 T3. T1 T3 नो, देन T3 T1 yes, T3 to T1 is a age. Now we'll check about T2 T3. This is T2 and T3, T2 to T3 and T3 से T2, no age on A. After that we check for B. Where is a B? B is here, T2 to T1. We already make a age from T2 to T1. Getting my point? And there is B is not present in T3, so we don't make a age. So in this order we are getting T2, T3 and T1. This is also equivalent to S1. Getting my point? So here you can say S1 is conflict equivalent to S2. Getting my point? And what about the S3? Here we check. There is a read A, write A, this one. So T2 to T1 is age. Getting my point? And what about T1 to T2? No age. T1 to T3? No. But T3 to T1 there is a age on A. Getting my point? When we are talking about the B, T2 to T1 already make, T1 to T2 no age, and getting my point? After that, here you can see T2 to T3, T2 to T3 make a age on A. Clear है? T2 to T3 and T3 to T2 also age. T3 to T2 also age. So there is a cycle. Getting my point? So this is not conflict serializable. There is a cycle between T2 and T3. So answer is S1 is conflict equivalent to S2 but not equivalent to S3. Getting my point? Clear hai? So in this, what is the option? S1, S2, S3 and conflict equivalent to each other. That is not true. No two of S1, S2 are conflict equivalent. Not true. And S2 is conflict equivalent to S3 but not to S1. S1 is conflict equivalent to S2 but not to S3. So D is the right answer. Getting my point? Clear hai? S1 is conflict equivalent to S2 but not to S3. Getting my point? Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.